Bana batari so hakina hoba molelele kimpa ke batla ho le tsota ka lerato yeah ke kopa ho kala ka tumediso.
It was what they call poetry, but it was from my pain. It was never about just doing words and just, you know, word for the sake of saying words. They had to mean something because my pain was deep. So I wanted to express it in such a way that if I had to sing it, you would love it. So the next poem I'm going to do for you is called Basotho. It was the first time I discovered how evil and crooked Basotho are. Woo! Just Christ Basotho. Pinena ke leke ngole ke dutse monyago ke lela di khapa tse ngata bona bo ke bekele se ka gata ke zibeile mona ile wa ene ka ntle ndise mona ke lela ke shebile ka ntle manza ke Basotho no smanat, but that's what happened. So my DJ, is the bass still, are we hearing it? Magic in progress. Give it power, don't be afraid of it. I do this song with my main girl, Liteboho. That's the one doing the whole heyday. She gets spiritual instead she does this thing. I'm going to have to do something I really don't like to do. Let's go sing along to the track. Simply because it just goes on, and I'm not really in a good state to sustain that type of longevity. So I'm going to sing along to it. So, right. It's about my twins, if you all know. Play it. My baby. Yes, this is the body of the...
Akibona bana baka kama tsohong ana akahima ka letsema fahla ke tshohile ke ahlame ka utlwa letswalo la ka le ntsukutla ka terata ka re hona ke papadi hona ke sewelo sa ka ona motsotso ono kile ka sheba hodimo ha se ka meokgo ya ka ka re ntate metse ha ke bone tsela ntate hopola ntata bona ka ba beha fubeng sa ka hona ke mo Haballa ka re thola bana ba batho Haballa ka re thola bana ba batho Haballa ka re thola bana ba batho Haballa Haballa kare chula chula bana baba chu. 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 Le harama tata agagile katola karabo kaba sheva kaba suna kaba tsepi sale rato kare le hao batata hakino bagele lasha kiwi karavelo baka huli puta kale kare chula chula bana baba chula kare chula chula bana baba chula 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 bana baba chula kare chula chula bana baba chula Haballa 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 kare chula chula bana baba chula. Be still, my aching heart. Your comfort lies in these shrunken hands. The same that remove the tears that burned your eyes, gathering the shattered pieces of your broken heart, and holding together the blessings of your life. The same that tore the barren land of love, digging up the remnants of your dignity, replacing them with the remnants of your seeds, of the seeds of your courage. The same that have reached out to fantasies, farther long gone to join the gods, and the love long cut in the days of yesterday. Feel the rhythm of the pulse of your life, and hold on to that feeling that warms up your heart. Rise above this madness and discover your calling. Celebrate your life and dare to be bold. Remember the pride in your mother's eyes, that voice of reason for your freedom. Without a doubt, your pain is real, but in this heart, you hold the key. Be still, my darling heart. Be still. Haballa kare chula chula bana baba chula. 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 Haballa kare chula chula bana baba chula.
That is a very emotional song for me. This one is called Setswana. I'm literally telling myself how beautiful I am. I don't care about you, this is about me. I'm beautiful, god damn it. I am like the sexiest 39-year-old you'll ever see. You understand? It's not a proud achievement, I can't even run 2 seconds. Please trust me, it's your... Oh, it's a tough life. Being this young looking. And you know. So Setswana came on a very good day. And my producer said, I got something for you. T-Mac, what up? I know he's not here. And he said, Queen, I got something for you. They call me Queen or Mad, I don't know why. I went there, they played it for me, and I did Jeremiah Dubé. It's like, this is for you. And I heard the thing and I fell in love first time. The first track ever that I didn't produce. I just laced it. And it's called Setswana. It's in appreciation of our skin. No matter the hue, the color, it doesn't matter. Our skin, Setswana. In any language, in any form, it's Setswana. You know, but truthfully speaking, it's called the black one, because you know I'm black. So Setswana has a chorus, which I would like for you to join me. You all know it, right? You don't know it? Really? Can somebody just sing me? goes like this. It goes like this. Sesihle sithwana bo, sesihle sithwana bo. Ngwana mo wa Afrika yo. So that's how you sing along, right? Right. Interesting fact, it's in 3 languages, but you spot them, right? All right, hit it. Hit it. Go, 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 go. Go. Don't be afraid of it. No. Tell her they sing Tell her they singing anything. Tell her they sing anything.
Magic in progress.
Sesihle sithwana ye, sesihle sithwana jo. Mwana mo wa Afrika yo. Sesihle sithwana. African beauty engraved deep within my soul. One that embodies my presence. Physique that makes the ground quiver. And the mountains to echo my name. Hey. Hey. Runo zunguluta nyegane makomo aya ndaga zarwa naro uripa chimiro nemuwe ya wangu saraka Bana bala dipelele topi asitwana nyama tani ya musidi twana umushebelo mulakata mwana mu Afrika kirisese tese twana bo for you. Says it lessons Joe. I wonder why I sang this song for myself. So how many are feeling like they're all Setswanas right now? Because I'm looking at a wonderful group of people of Setswanas. I'm a Setswana. I'm a Setswana. Because I'm seeing a lot of ladies and gentlemen, I'm not trying to exclude you from the topic, but it affects all of us. Because the next check I'm going to do for you is going to make some of y'all feel very uncomfortable. The nerve was born out of abuse. I knew I was in too deep, but I didn't know how to get out, and I wanted to get out so bad. Every other tool that I could use to get away from this monster was just, you understand. But the only tool that I had was what? Words. So I put them to a beat, and I screamed my lungs out. And that song is called The Nerve.
Yes.
And it doesn't need anyone sitting down, honestly. Because we're talking about empowerment right now. We're talking about doing some serious, because you know you gotta hold that whole thing. happening there. You know, you got the whole fisting happening there. And ladies, if you're lucky enough to be standing next to a man, every time you come to the chorus, turn to him and go, you got the nerve! Remember that, right? Aye. Played. Magic in Progress production. This is the nerve, ladies. Really now. You've got to give it your all when you say the nerve. You've got the nerve. You've got to scream it out and let it all out. You understand? Give me the swindler who stole our destinies and tampered with our blessings from conception, discredited our ambitions of higher aspirations, and tied our fates with traditional bindings, degreed the degradation of our existence. I want to tell him he's got the nerve. Listen, just who is this con man so afraid of our femininity? Running his mouth, disseminating slanderous mockery, colonizing our abilities and calling it culture, demeaning our intelligence and calling it hormones. Dear Lord, as if he knows the significance. Where does he get the nerve? Say, tell me this. Where does this charlatan get his ridiculous notions of grandeur, violently advocating the extinction of the enlightened goddess, banning us to menial tragedy, asserting its falseness, his fist to suppress his superiors? My God, how inferior! Yet we strong enough, we bring mankind into existence. His nerve. Really. Say, why are we afraid of this imposter? Shifting the blame like we don't tango to the same song. Content to sing along instead of living by example. Shackled to the misguided fears of inferiority complex and begging for humiliation and displaying the scars like trophies. Now you've got the nerve. Overcome this confinement of perpetual slavery. Stand your ground in the face of this oppressor. Fight for your humanity as a people, your identity as a culture, your rights as individuals, your stand as equals. Tell this bigot he's got the nerve! Stop giving away pieces of your integrity for an illusion, nourishing his wickedness with buckets of your tears, hiding his weaknesses and demeaning your stature, and hiding from your strength and lurking in his shadows. Show him you've got the nerve. Yank out this hypocrite from the mantra of your destiny. Deny him your essence for a mere presence in your heart. Show him the gates of the lost city of the ignorant. Tell him, I said tell him your preference can never be changed by his opinion. You've got the nerve! Woo! You've got the nerve! Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, oh, the song takes a lot out of me.